Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Mehak Singh and I had come to Saraswat Hospital for my hair transplant training. I came to know about Dr. Satya Saraswat and Dr. Preeti ma'am through my colleague who had also come for a hair transplant training under sir and ma'am. The best part about the training was hands-on experience, which I don't think so anywhere else one can find. The thing was like for 3 days I was here. I was day in and day out. We were literally living the real hair transplant dream. I got to know how to learn from starting from the consultation to trichoscopy, as well as how to extract the grafts, how to harvest them and how to process them and how to graft them back. So it was not only just getting hands-on feel of a few grafts. It was a full 3-day intensive course wherein I put more than 2000 grafts. Sir and ma'am have been so kind. They imparted knowledge like they are an ocean of knowledge, and they left nothing unturned to transfer that knowledge in these 3 days, and I can't thank them enough for such a wonderful opportunity. And it was such a pleasure to know them both on a professional ground as well as on a personal ground. And what I can say from what I took from here was not only these 3 days of intensive course. They're a really helpful, kind and multi-talented team, but also I found mentors for life. That's what I can say about Dr. Saraswat and Ma'am Saraswat. Thank you so much.
You just heard Dr. Mehak Singh talking about her hair transplant training course in Agra at Saraswat Hospital. The satisfaction in her eyes, the confidence in her which she got after the course makes us also happy. The course here, the hair transplant training course, is structured in a way that it starts from the very beginning of anatomy, physiology, and taking into stride trichoscopy, which is the computerized examination of scalp and hair, real-time consultation, how to make out how many grafts have to be implanted, how to calculate the donor grafts, the recipient area, and then full syllabus, I must say, of harvesting, sorting, and then transferring the grafts into the pre-made slits by forceps as well as implanters in FUE method as well as FUT method. So you see, hair transplant involves a lot of procedures which should be done correctly. So as you say in surgery, in order to go to step 2, you have to do the step 1 right. Same applies here, beginning with the patient selection and ending with the post-operative management of patient. Every step has to be good and satisfactory in order to get the result satisfactory. It has a long learning curve, but then the training must be good, the skill set must be perfect, your instruments should be extremely good, modern, state-of-the-art, so that the results are state-of-the-art, wonderful results. All this we discuss here in your 3-day training course, which involves FUE as well as FUT, and me and Dr. Satya, along with our whole team, we make it a point that you feel comfortable and you are absolutely engrossed in your teaching. Along with, we see that you are not feeling out of the way, out of the line, and we keep on helping you in every step, because we want that after going from here, you are confident enough to start your hair transplantation at your center. The rest, of course, depends upon you, how much you can learn, but we give our best. The hands-on which we give, we have been told by many doctors who have come here that they have not received this extent of hands-on on real patients, including the harvesting, the slit making and the graft insertion, along with consultation, trichoscopy, anywhere in the world. So that this is what it makes this training the best training of hair transplant according to them, not according to me. So all the very best for your hair transplant training at Saraswat Hospital Agra. And once again, I congratulate Dr. Mehak on her wonderful training, and we look forward to any help further we can give to her when she practices at her own center. If you want to see a hair transplant testimonial video of one of our patients, you can click the link on the left. And if you want to see a testimonial video of another doctor who got trained from us, you can click the link on the right.